Hey everyone, Knucker here. Got really excited here. I got switching over from my old 550 Western Star, 2000 Western Star, over to 98 Peterbilt Unit 448, and I figured I would just give everybody a little shot here as I climb into it for the first time. Yeah, so let's just take a look. Sorry about that, sun's a little bright. Alright, here we go. Really excited about this because it's freaking cool. It's cool that I get a new truck, that's for sure. Okay, so up here we have more storage space than what I have, more headroom, and in the bunk, if I can find the... Alright, where's the... Nice cup holder in the middle, which is kind of nice. It appears that I don't have a switch up front for my bunk lights, but that's fine. We'll figure that out. Okay, and into the bunk here. Lots of nice space. Nice. I don't know how well you guys can see this at all, but this is it, and this is going to be my new home. Lots of little cubbies and everything else here, so that's really nice. Nice spot here. I can put a fridge if I want to, or I'll probably just put my cooler there for now. And a nice exit to the outside, off to that side. Allows me, I like that because I can throw all my stuff in right into the bunk and not have to come in through the cab anymore, which is really nice. Oh god, I got lots of storage space in this. Alright, so anyway, that is a quick tour of my new truck. We'll see how she runs over the next few weeks. Keep everyone updated.